There you go. Well, that saves me money on my card, honestly.
Yeah.
How y'all been tonight?
Yeah, well, there you go.
I just had a scare, so. You have a good night, man. $3 for a card purchase?
Yeah, like what? I don't get it. You get that shit at all?
What shit is that?
Fuck this town.
Like, we walked in there, he was getting a drink.
Fuck all these fake people.
Because look, like a semi, we was stopped at a red light and the motherfucker almost backed into us because, you know. Oh! Oh! That was close to shit to my ear, dog. Yeah, and we got something illegal, so we're going to a car meet. You see this little beauty right here, dog?
Yeah, give him some ass taps.
Oh, and this beautiful fella right
Nah,
here.
chill.
You the one that owns this? Look at it. It's pretty.
Hold up.
Yo, you wait until we get these wheels black, cuz.
What's it say?
Been
It says
gapped.
you've been gapped. Alright, hey, you want to hear it real quick?
Yeah, turn that bitch on.
Yes, sir. Art.
Look, we almost got hit in the front. Like, it's already, like, it's got bird shit on it. You see all that bird shit? Alright, go for it. It's got Rouse RS exhaust. Hey, open the hood, dog.
Alright, let's get our asses to this meet, boys.
Alright. So we're about to be going to the meet. We'll pick it up there. Hey. Alright, so we're here at the spot. We're here at the spot, boys. We're about to get rowdy and
They just hit you.
we about to get rowdy in how long? He said 10 minutes?
Yup.
We about to get rowdy in like 10 minutes, bro. 10 minutes, bro.
What are you talking about? Look, you can tell that. Look.
Yes, sir. That bitch is
Old Crown
Man,
Vic, bro.
I'm finna go sit in my fucking car, bro.
Yeah, we here. This isn't the best quality vlog, but you know what? Fuck it, I don't give a damn. Shit's about to be lit as hell. Because you gotta park on the side until 10 minutes. This car sounds hella nice.
There's a move up here.
So we call this place the pit. Am I right? Or am I right?
No, this is the
Oh,
pit.
First time.
Yeah, you got to stay swerving over there.
Stay swerving right here.
Right here. We're kind of.
You best bet I'm gonna be out racing tonight.
We're kind of just waiting. Like we are waiting.
Said 10 minutes. What time did he say 10 minutes?
9 o'clock.
We got like a minute.
We got a minute before shit gets hype. And
Yeah.
that motherfucker's pulling up. Something's about to go down. Dude, that one has a whole ass like cop siren thing in it. Not siren, but like, you know, the
Intercom?
noise thing.
Oh. That mo's got a bush guard and everything.
Which one?
That one right there.
No, dog, it's got stripes.
It's got a bush.
Okay, that's a jackass.
I think he's trying to park.
What's AJ doing, bro?
Are they gonna block it all?
AJ's gonna be the first one swinging it.
Or are they gonna block it all?
Dude, these ass wombs are actually working. Good as fuck.
Are they swinging?
AJ right there.
No problem. Hey, bro, you swinging it? Fuck no.
somebody. Ain't that? Never mind. No. You say you gonna burn?
Bro, he about hit that fucking curve.
He almost, he clipped.
He said, I know.
Mustang fucking this shit ain't, bro.
What you trying to do with that thing?
This is the pit. This is the pit. Yeah. It's gonna be small.
Bro, but that Mustang got so fucking close.
Dude,
bro.
I honestly thought we was about to see him lose his
I
back
thought,
end.
yeah, dude.
This place is fucking packed.
Say move the motherfucker, move it.
Shit! Oh, fuck! Damn!
Oh.
We're on our way to a different spot. We're going to corporate. I know you don't know what that is because we in Tennessee. We ain't no California. You know, we still kicking out here in Tennessee, don't we? Yes, sir. We already at the next spot.
Damn, we already at corporate.
Yeah, we already at the next spot.
What time is it?
I don't know, Brandon. What time is it? Holy shit, that's producing a lot.
They go pop the tires.
Oh no! Wrong one, retard.
Oh, I see the lights and everything. They're back there. Yeah, they're back there. I see the lights and everything.
So this is what happens when we get busted by feds, huh?
Here, take this. Someone take this.
What is it?
It's the phone. GPS says
Feds crashed at the party, boys. Means we're heading home.
Where they at?
I don't know, but I seen lights back there.
Yo, we got the fuck out of there.
Hell yeah, dude. I literally almost passed your ass when I was like, I can't leave my boy Weston.
Dude, I was literally staying up with y'all with boots on. I'm surprised.
Dude, I passed
Bro,
Brentley
sit
like
down.
it wasn't nothing.
Let's see.
Do some back
We
shots.
straight, y'all. We straight now.
Do some out the window shots.
Alright, here you go.
We all leave.
Yo, come on over.
Yo, go over.
Come on, man.
Yo, we all got the fuck about. Okay, so we just came from corporate. The cops kind of pulled us all out of there.
Cops made us leave. What do you mean?
Yeah, bro, they like said that. I mean, I didn't really get shots of it, but you know,
I seen the lights.
I seen the lights. Yeah, they were most definitely there. There was,
all right.
there was
Good,
no,
baby girl.
there was no way past that. Yo, let's fix that light real quick.
No, let's look at it.
Here.
Just look at it.
Nathaniel, get in, turn the car over, but not on. Actually, wait. Tell me if my
You
lights
just do
come
it.
on. No, I gotta pump gas.
Yeah.
Are they on though?
Yeah, they're on.
Hey. Crank the car.
All the all the way.
Yeah, turn on. Alright, pop the hood.
Is it the thing, black thing down here?
Yeah. Oh, they see that cold air intake. My ass is going to jail.
Oh hell yeah! Wow. Is it illegal?
It's modded. Yes, it's illegal. I'm sorry, it's completely illegal.